Hi, I'll walk you through how to set up Lunacal on your system. To begin with, you can either sign in using Google or Microsoft or using your own custom email. I'll sign in using Google. Once you do it, provide details about yourself. Click on Get Started. You can provide the time zone. It automatically picks up uh, using your system. Then you have to connect your calendar. Once you're done connecting the calendar, the next step would be to connect your video conferencing tool. I've connected my calendar. Please note that you can also do it within the product once you have signed up. Now here I'll connect Google Meet, but you can connect any other tool as well. And then I'll click on finish. What will happen is Lunacal automatically creates a sample scheduling page for me uh, using AI, and I can obviously then edit it the way I want. What you see here are different widgets, right? So I can add more testimonials, I can add gallery, I can add a video. So let's say this is a video that I want to embed. I'll go here, click on embed, and this video will come up, right? This content seems fine. I'll put it at the top, then video, and maybe about me should be above this. So all these customizations within the content is something that you can do, and also play around with the different widgets that are there. The next thing is you can customize your theme, right? So this is a professional theme. We have bold themes, and then more playful themes as well. So depending on what you want, let's say I want to go ahead with this theme. I'll do this and I'll click on publish. After this, I can also change my designation, logos, etc. from here. Let's say I want to write here lunacal.ai. I can save it. Once I'm done with these basic customizations, then I go to the most important part, which is the actual configuration of the product, right? So here what you see are different events listed here. I can create new event, or there is a default event that's created here. Let me go ahead and edit it. So I've clicked here. Now I can edit the title, description, duration of the event. If I'm running a class, I can also allow group bookings wherein multiple people can join the same time slot. I can also specify the meeting location. If I'm using Zoom, Microsoft Teams, etc., I can put in those locations, or I can also have a physical location present here. There's also an option to put a static link in case I use a tool which is not among these. Once I'm done with these changes, the next thing is to change availability. Then you can go and change booking limits. Now limits are cases where, let's say I want to avoid last minute booking, right? So I can put in a 2 hour minimum notice period. Or let's say I don't want back to back meetings to happen, so I can add some buffer between meetings. Next is booking questions. Now, booking questions are the questions that a person needs to answer while they are making a booking. To show you where they come, let's say this is my scheduling page, and whenever someone is making a booking here, these are the booking questions that I can customize here. I can, let's say, what's your company size is a question, and I can have a drop down present here with different options. Okay, less than 1000, 1000 to 5000, and 5000 plus. So these are the three options that I've put in what's your company size, and then I can save it, right? Next, I can create workflows. Now, workflows are really, really awesome in Lunacal. What you can do is you can set basic reminder workflows. Let's say 15 minutes before the meeting, I want people to join the call to get a reminder. Or what I can also do is I can set triggers like when the event is cancelled, then I want people to be notified, right? Or let's say whenever a event is completed, then I want people to be notified. So in all such different scenarios, I can create workflows. Let's say after the event is done, I want to send an email to people. uh, so let's say post thanks template, I can have this template here, and if I want, I can edit edit the copy as well, right? And I can save it. Once I've saved, the workflow will be applicable to this event, right? Another interesting thing that you can do is you can embed calendar on your website, and here we allow you to sort of change the color, etc., depending on your brand theme, so that it looks closer to what your brand's calendar is. And you can directly copy the HTML code and paste it on your website. Another cool feature is email embed. Now, sometimes what happens is you don't want to share the entire calendar with people, right? So, in this case, you can sort of select specific time slots, let's say these time slots, and I can just copy this as it is in an email, right? And people will click on it and they'll be able to select the time. In terms of integrations, Lunacal integrates with most popular calendars as well as video conferencing tools. And you can also integrate with PayPal to enable paid bookings, right? The next part is Teams. I won't cover Teams in detail here, but you can essentially create teams wherein you can add multiple members or multiple clients, and then create a sort of a round robin event or a collective event between them. So what will happen is, let's say I have 5 sales reps and I want people to be inbound leads to be equally allocated between them. So that's a configuration that I can make, right? Once I'm done with everything, if I want, I can create multiple events. And finally, this is the booking link that I'll have that I can share with people, and people can book time with me on this link. At any point, I can also customize my booking page by going here. So let's say I don't like this theme anymore, I can change it and publish it. So yeah, broadly, this is how Lunacal works.